Step 2. Create a media. Go to the media in the Data Types list. Create a new media by selecting File menu, New. Give the media a meaningful name. I'm calling this CMYK printer calibration, but you can call it anything you like, usually related to the printer or output driver being used for easy finding in the list. In the Output Driver panel, click the Output Driver button and select your printer driver from the list. This will be the same printer driver as selected in the output. Select the Edit button to configure any custom requirements, like paper type, inks, and any other settings relevant to your setup. For this example, I have adjusted the media and print mode, and inkjet. Click Accept when finished making any adjustments. Go to the Print and Media Settings panel. Make sure the color space is set to CMYK. Go to the Color Management panel. The output ICC profile should be set to a CMYK profile. This will be changed after ICC target creation. Save the media configuration via File menu, Save. Up next. Step 3. Create a job ticket.